Thank you for visiting West Coast Auto Enthusiast. Today we're featuring a 1967 Volkswagen Beetle. This is a California car. Our customer bought it out of California from a Volkswagen mechanic who bought it from the original owner and then restored it. It's super clean. There's no rust on it. I've got undercarriage pictures of the undercarriage. The paint and body are perfect. It's got new wheels and tires on it. It's in really good shape. So our customer put the rack on it. It's got stainless steel exhaust they just installed. The engine was rebuilt about 20,000 miles ago. It surprises me how well this thing drives. So you've got, the bumpers are new, so you've got backup lights. Those are original backup lights. So super clean. So I literally couldn't tell anything about the Beetle. I'm not, other than this is, has been very well redone and mechanically is sound. The cosmetics of this, it's immaculate. We haven't seen many black Beetles either. Certainly a lot of these around, but black seem to be an uncommon color. So you can see the chrome and the trim and all that stuff, all the seals. Everything is in excellent condition. The windows roll up and down easily. My customer put our customer put a stereo in it that looks retro, but is a digital, so a current sound system. But you can see, so the chrome and paint and all that stuff is really clean. I'm not going to open the bonnet, but I've got pictures of that on our website, so you can see what that is. You can see it's been very well done. The upholstery is clean. So in the back you've got speakers for the new stereo. The headliner is good. The upholstery, the carpet. I have a picture of the VIN also. So steering wheel is new. Really clean. Really nice example of a Beetle. Again, I'm really surprised how responsive this car is. So I don't know if they were all like this, but certainly it drives kind of like a GTI a little bit. So you can hear it starts right up. The windows roll up easily, as they're supposed to. The side wings open. So here's your stereo. You can see it's a digital display, so a retro feel and look. So a 4-speed transmission. You can see the upholstery. All that stuff is very clean. It's all new. And then, so you've got headlights, so those work. Left turn signal, operational. Right turn signal, operational. And then wipers is here. So you can see those work. So we're working on the horn. When they installed the new steering wheel, the horn was not activated, so we're working on that. And I guess that's it. Hazards, operational. There you go. That's the extent of the gear on the Beetle. So you do have a cable in here for the stereo for an aux input, which is nice. And you can see the trim and all that stuff really clean. It's a beautiful car. And again, California car, so there's no rust. It was purchased by, I don't know when, but by the Volkswagen mechanic that had that bought it from the original owner, and then he restored it, put a bunch of money into it. Our customer bought it from him, and then our customer put some money into it, like in the roof rack, the stereo. I think the stainless exhaust was already done. Come on, focus. There we go. It just runs and drives beautifully. So if you have questions or would like additional information, please feel free to contact us, and we can be reached at 503-227-2354. Thank you for visiting West Coast Auto Enthusiast.